Hello and welcome. This is Claudia with a quick note today on our YouTube channel. Because actually the other day I was holding a workshop together with a global law firm on crisis PR regarding cybersecurity at the IHK in Germany, and I was asked if I couldn't provide further details on crisis PR, maybe in a written form or as a video, and also other tips regarding marketing, PR, social media, and advertising. And this is actually exactly what we offer on our YouTube channel, YouTube Claudia Böhnert Courage. So if you don't know it yet, you may want to check it out. We wanted to provide some insights on the marketing sphere, so to say, there on our channel. We also do interviews with managing partners on global law firms, on the current situation and challenges of law firms, the trends they see, and also with CEOs of companies, German and also international companies, and also other experts on topics like marketing and artificial intelligence. You find interviews there with technicians and with online experts. Also on an interview I did with PwC on the trends in artificial intelligence for law firms, and also on the ethics of marketing and artificial intelligence. I actually talk with a professor in New York, which I personally appreciated very much because it shows a different, totally perspective on artificial intelligence. So this is just a quick note I wanted to share with you today, because we do offer all these insights and I much would appreciate your feedback on our channel. And please, if you don't do yet, follow us there on YouTube. We also much appreciate likes, and by the way, but I assume you know that, we also offer a lot of support and insights on marketing, artificial intelligence, social media and advertising on our LinkedIn channel. So please have a look, follow us, and also feel free to comment or say if you're missing something, if you would like to hear something on a special field. We're more than happy to provide you with those insights. Thank you very much. Take care and bye-bye.